Welcome to Horizons of History. Today, we'll be uncovering the remarkable history of Thailand, from its rich cultural heritage to its breathtaking landmarks and achievements. So, let's dive into this beautiful country's past and discover the hidden tales that have led us to where we are today. Welcome to Thailand, a country of stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Situated in the heart of Southeast Asia, Thailand is known as the Land of Smiles, where every visitor is treated with a warm welcome and an unforgettable experience. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil beaches of Phuket, Thailand offers a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern luxury. Join us as we explore the hidden gems of this beautiful country and discover why Thailand is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. History. Thailand has a rich and fascinating history that dates back over 4,000 years. Thailand was previously called Siam, and its official name was changed to Thailand in 1939. It has seen the rise and fall of several powerful kingdoms, including the Khmer Empire and the Sukhothai Kingdom. In the late 1700s, Thailand became a constitutional monarchy, and it has been ruled by a series of kings ever since. The current ruler of Thailand is King Maha Vajiralongkorn, also known as King Rama X. He ascended to the throne in 2016 following the death of his father, King Bhumibol Adulyadej. Despite a turbulent past, Thailand has emerged as a prosperous and peaceful nation that is deeply proud of its rich cultural heritage. Population and religion. Thailand has a population of over 71 million people, and the majority of the population practices Buddhism. The country is also home to a sizable Muslim minority, as well as smaller groups of Christians and Hindus. Religion is an important part of Thai culture, and you'll find beautiful temples and shrines throughout the country that are a testament to the people's deep spiritual beliefs. Army. Thailand has a well-established military, with over 300,000 active troops. The country's armed forces have been involved in several conflicts throughout their history, including the Vietnam War and the ongoing insurgency in southern Thailand. Despite this, Thailand is a safe and welcoming country for tourists. Economy and GDP. Thailand's economy is one of the strongest in Southeast Asia, with a focus on manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism. The country is known for its exports of rice, rubber, and electronics, and its tourism industry is a major contributor to the economy. Thailand's GDP is currently around $543 billion, making it the second largest economy in Southeast Asia after Indonesia. Geography. Thailand is in the middle of mainland Southeast Asia. It has a total size of 513,120 square kilometers with a coastline of total 3,219 kilometers. Thailand is the 50th largest in the world. The land border is 4,863 kilometers long with Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, and Malaysia. Thailand is a diverse country with a varied landscape that includes mountains, jungles, and beaches. The northern region is known for its cool climate, stunning scenery, and vibrant hill tribe cultures. In the central region, you'll find the bustling capital city of Bangkok, with its vibrant street life and world-famous food. And in the south, you'll find some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, including Phuket, Koh Samui, and Krabi. Places to visit in Thailand. Thailand is known for its breathtaking beaches. Some of the most popular beaches include Patong Beach in Phuket, Koh Phi Phi, and Railay Beach in Krabi. But Thailand isn't just about beaches, there are plenty of other places to visit as well. From the stunning temples of Chiang Mai to the ancient ruins of Ayutthaya, there's something for everyone in Thailand. Interesting facts. Thailand is the only country in Southeast Asia that was never colonized by a European power. The world's largest solid gold Buddha statue is located in Thailand, at the Wat Trema Temple in Bangkok. Thailand is home to the world's smallest mammal, bumblebee bat. Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, is known for having the world's longest name for a place. Krung Thep Mahanakan Amanratna Kosan Mahinthareathia Mahadilakfop. Na Feritrachathani Beriram Udom Rachanawet Mahasathan Amanfa Manawatansafit. Saka Thatiyo Itsana Kamprazit. The Thai language has 44 consonants and 32 vowels, making it one of the most complex languages to learn. The national symbol of Thailand is the elephant, and the country is home to around 7,000 wild elephants. Thanks for watching my video about Thailand. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more great videos.